morning. Happy Monday to all of you. I hope you were able to enjoy a lot of the sunshine this weekend. It was fantastic finally to have such a nice weekend. So here we go today with math. Let's talk about a few updates and reminders that's going on this week. So first off, we're going to finish out lesson 5 here shortly after this video is done. So we're going to do just a little bit more with counting principle. I started it Friday with you, started to introduce it to you. So we have a few more problems to do out of the book. So you'll see there's a second video there at number 1 that will take us to page 762 in the book and using a calculator. After that, you'll see there's a link there for a counting principle skills practice worksheet that you are going to open that link and you will see the worksheet itself. But then you're going to work the problems out on lined paper and you can still use your calculator. So instead of printing multiple copies for in-person and crew, then I just thought instead you can open the link. I did this one time, I think last week or the week before. You can open the link, see all the problems, and work those problems out again on lined paper, and then you'll be able to check your answers. So there's a link there as well to check your answers when you're done. And I will also, I'm thinking I'm going to have a video with that just to explain the answers so you understand how some of those answers were achieved. So plan on that as well. And then number 2, if you have time remaining, you are going to work on ALEKS. You only have 3 more weeks of ALEKS. So the next 3 weeks, we won't do it, obviously, the final week of school. So ALEKS is coming to a close for 7th grade. But definitely, you're still getting graded this week and the next 3 weeks. So use some time today to work on that and get that done. And then tomorrow, you're going to take your Chapter 9 lessons 3 and 5 quick check on tree diagrams and counting principle. And that'll be the last quick check for Chapter 9. And so that checklist that you see there, both quick checks, lessons 1 and 2, 3 and 5, which will be in Schoology, are in Schoology. And then those 3 weeks of ALEKS, that is all due tomorrow, Tuesday, May 18th as well. So make sure you are caught up on those and good to go, especially with ALEKS. So as I am putting grades in today for that last week from May 10th through the 16th, if you know that you didn't get that done and you need to finish that, then please do so. And then let me know when you do finish it so I can update your grade. Coming up, besides Chapter 9 ending, this week on Thursday, you're going to take the Math M-Step. That's May 20th. And so then we will start Chapter 10 on Friday. And that'll be our last chapter. And we're just going to do a little bit in there as well. Not too much, because then we will start reviewing for your exam for the end of the school year. So I will meet you back here at the next video and your book open to page 762 with your calculator ready to go. We're going to do a couple more problems before you start the practice worksheet. See you in a few.